Okay, we're live, right? Is it counting off times and seconds? I don't see it. Well, let's see here. Well, let me... Okay. Alright, so let's see. Where is the mouse? Where did the mouse go? Where did the mouse go? Is this it? No, it's not. Mouse is not on the tape. Here it is. Okay, so here's the mouse. Alright, so let's say goodbye to that. Alright, okay, so did I start that? I started that one. Okay, so let me look at this one here. Okay, so well, it says I'm live, but okay, I guess I'm live. All right. Well, I don't see anybody on there. Okay, so all right. Well, okay. So let me get my. I've lost my cell phone. Okay, here's a cell phone. All right. So it is. Come on now, wake up. What's going on? Why am I having such... Come on. Wake up. There we go. Go home. Go home? Right. Okay, so it's 12:05, 10 December 2020. See that over here? I can't see this thing. I still don't know if I'm live. Hope this thing says it's live, but there is a date on that. This camera's... Okay, fine, whatever. Okay, so much for that. So, back in April of 2020, I started the repair on this model here. But before I get to that, well, see, I'm not going to play this video, but this is fixing the Magnavox D8443 cassette gear, video by Vintage Volts. Okay, so if you watch that and you go to shapeways.com, right? Where'd that go? Just had it here. Oh, there it is. Okay. So if you go to shapeways.com, you can get, you get these. Okay. So I got 3 of them, and I want to take a few of my happy little pictures because I went searching for a video in all my videos and I couldn't find a video. So, and I didn't want to show that. Okay. So much for that. So where am I? Those are the ones I took. Now this no. Wait. Okay, here, I want to start here. So, start with that. Okay, so here, yeah, that shows up on the YouTube camera. Okay, so here's that. Here's what it looks like on the 14th of April 2020. Okay, so, that's the top. That's that side, this side, that end. I'm sure you've seen this model before. This is the example I have right now. Screws out, take a picture. The antenna wire goes there, you know. The full deal. Power supply issue, you know, like that, there. See now, I took the screws out, so I took a picture, just like I did with the back. Okay, now we're inside the model. And then here's the, you know, the tape deck, okay. Yours will look like that, alright? And here's the tape deck, you know, out, or, you know, flopped about. Here's the belt that now, I put in just now, I changed this to 130 millimeter rather than 135. 130 millimeter is a good size to put in. Okay, but now, let's see here, this didn't work. Because I didn't, see, I have pictures of this, right? And this is the, I don't remember if I ever researched that chip or if it was this one over here. Anyway, so much for that. So there's that, okay. And just, you know, tell me to stop and I will. Here we go. Nope, not yet. There we go. Aha. See that? There's the gear all broken. Okay, it's not going to work. Underneath, there's that famous orange gear all broken. That's just showing you, you know, the thing goes in there. Okay, so those are the pictures I took. There's the gear, and you know, again, it's just all apart and gearless, okay? There's the part, the gear, as I reconstructed it, as I could find all the pieces that were not crumbled away, but that's what the original orange gear looks like, okay? And then that was it. So now, let me go here to these pictures. Wait, get out of there. These are the pictures I took just today, okay? So, open with that. So here is, before I took it apart, I took pictures of it, okay? There, here it is, still gearless, no gear, okay? And then, it's still gearless. You can never have enough pictures. I had a shadow, I wanted to get a picture of where that wire goes, okay? So there's a picture of where that wire goes. That's very important, okay? Not so important where the wire goes over here. It just has to go under this deal, underneath that deal, underneath that deal, okay? And lastly, it has to go in that little hole there, all right? And then here, here I'm showing the, that's what I bought, okay? All right. Now, wait, go back. Yeah, now it's got, okay, so here, there's the gear. It turns freely, okay? It's in there like that, okay? It's there. And then that's been sold. Goodbye. No longer have it. Okay. So I'm up to date on my pictures. Now I want to, let's see here. Has this thing been live at all? Has anybody been on this thing? No. It's, well, okay, somebody's watching. Yay, finally someone's watching. So I'm going to move this camera down. Now that I've shot all these pictures, that's good enough. Alright. And this one here I'm going to wide out. Okay, so let's wide it out and pull the camera down. Okay. It's still apart. Let's see, where's my hand? See my hand? Okay. Come on down. Alright, so that's pretty close. Alright, so this thing is still in pieces, but it's plugged in. I'm going to play a cassette as soon as I can find a cassette. Is this a cassette I was playing? All de novo? Okay, so I'll play a few seconds of this. I can't even remember which mod. Wait. Yeah, so, that, okay, that's in the center. So, tape deck. Well, here, let's just do this. That does that with noise. That does that with noise. And that doesn't do anything. Oh, that's play. Okay. That's fast forward. That's the other way. Which one's stop? That's pause. That must be stop. Okay. So if I throw a tape in here and hit, was it this one? Wait, no, it was this one. Okay, so I'm going to clean this all up, but so it does work. Okay. Just want to show you briefly that it does work. That a new gear in there doesn't need to tape. It fast forward and rewinds and does all that, and I can sit here and play you music till the end of the earth, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to put it all back together. Hopefully take it with me to work and shoot another video. Okay, so if I have enough time. Meanwhile, I'll upload this video and hope you enjoyed. Good day, bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Okay, so now hit the turn off on this one.